When it comes to Amazon PPC, there are a lot of things you need to avoid doing, or you're gonna make costly mistakes. This is Hasan from Ecomclips, and I have been working with this agency for the last 5 years. In today's video, we are going to dive into the top 4 PPC mistakes that I see consistently made. So let's dive into the account here. You are gonna see that I have spent over $1.6 million money on PPC for this account and generating over $8 million in revenue. Listen, it's just the PPC revenue, not the total revenue of the full account. So this is a 7-figure seller account and I have been doing this for years. So when we check at a typical campaign, the first mistake I am going to bring up is negating performing keywords from auto or broad match campaigns. I am going to show you what I am talking about. Let's open a broad match campaign. Let me first take a date range like last 30 days. Yeah, it will work. So I am searching with broad, and I do recommend segmenting and naming your all campaigns so that it will comes handy. Anyway, let's go into this campaign. You can see that this campaign is running with $100 budget and it has only one ad group. You are seeing a negative keywords targeting option here, but you don't see any negative keywords here. That could be good, that could be bad. Let me explain you. If you run several ad groups in a single campaign, then it might be different from one another. Now, if you add any negative keywords here by checking one ad group, it will work for all campaigns, but it might not be negative for other ad groups. So, I suggest adding negative keywords by entering each ad group. That's a bonus tip. Anyway, let's go into the ad group level. And see here, we have added negative keywords here. So we can go and look into the search terms data and let's see if we find any good keywords here. I am taking a long date range like the last 65 days and sorting by spend. Oops, why have I added this as negative even after getting better sales? Let me check. Okay, this search term came for Wolverine Bootsman. Here the same search term came for Wolverine Boots for Men. Now I see, I added this search term as negative for the bad performance here. That's why it was added everywhere. Okay, there is a solution to that. Let me check this keyword from the targeting level and turn off this keyword. Oh, it's already turned off. So I am gonna remove that search term from the negative targeting bar. So that's it. Now looking back to the search term bar, for example, steel toy boots for men. This search term has high number of sales with better ACoS. Now the mistake number 1. I see many people create auto campaign or discovery campaign or broad match campaigns, and when they see any search term that get a high number of sales, they simply put it as negative here and then create a new campaigns with exact match type. This is a terrible mistake because this campaign under broad match will almost guaranteedly have a lower ACoS than the exact match type campaign. And it has data already. When something is doing better and has data, then please leave it. Don't mess with that because you don't know if it will do better with exact match type or how long it will take to do better. Now let's talk about the mistake number 2. That is not adding negations once a week. If I filter this tab by 0 sales and see those have more than 25 clicks, see there, we spent a large amount of money for some keywords here that got over 25 clicks but no sales. However, I have already added some of them as negative, so right away I am gonna negate this all. Now let's do another filter. Here I am sorting by ACoS, those have higher than 40%, and here it is. So I am gonna negate this all as well. So this is where many sellers make this mistake. They don't check the search term frequently, which lets them waste money and end up in a bad result. So here I suggest you, please check your search terms frequently and add negations at least once a week. So now the mistake number 3, and that is turning off all old campaigns and create all new campaigns. This is something that frequently happens when you change your PPC partner or hire a new PPC agency. They talk like, no, these all campaigns are running with full of wastage money, they are messed up and not synchronized, so we need to create all new campaigns and turn them off, blah blah blah. And this is the big mistake here, because those new campaigns will do significantly worse, and I saw it time and time again over the last 5 years. When you create any brand new campaign on Amazon, it will take at least 3 to 4 weeks to perform, because Amazon needs data first to see some sales. You need sales to get sales on Amazon. I know it's weird. So instead of destroying all of the old campaigns, please organize them first. Their naming conventions might be terrible. I understand that. Co-opt them and rename the structures and fix all of the issues. Maybe they put 100 keywords in one campaign. I get it. Save the 10 to 20 best keywords and segment the rest. Maybe they put 100 products in one campaign. That's cool, no problem. If it's still a better campaign, segment them. So don't just automatically turn off all campaigns. Please don't do that. So what did you learn from the mistake number 1 and 3? From the mistake number 1, never negate a better performing keyword. And from the mistake number 3, never negate a better performing campaign. Now the mistake number 4, and that is limiting campaigns by budget instead of by bid. When I go to the campaign manager tab and filter out everything, now look at this campaign. It's got out of budget. If any campaign's performance becomes bad, then adjust the bids first. Because I found many people immediately cut off the budget when they see any campaign becomes bad. Don't do that. If I go into the targeting section of this campaign, here I can see that the bid rate is crazy. If you set these higher bids with a lower budget, then your campaign will get out of budget and it will be counted as post rest of the day. So don't just limit the budget for bad campaigns without fixing the bids first. Hold on, now it's a bonus tip, and that is never go out of stock. This is the cardinal rule of Amazon. When you go out of stock, your PPC shuts off, and when you restock again, your PPC ACoS raise up. It really messes up your PPC structures and performance. So never go out of stock. Buy your supply before getting out of stock. That's my today's PPC video. We at Ecomclips manage thousands of Amazon PPC accounts. As an e-commerce service provider, we bring decades of experience in this field. We take pride in offering end-to-end services. Our team of experts is dedicated to helping you expand your business seamlessly. If you need any help with your advertising account, you can contact us via email at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. You can also check out our website www.ecomclips.com to get useful blogs that may help out your business a lot. Additionally, remember to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.